guys, my name is Steph, and today I'm going to teach you how to attract high quality leads and customers to your business. Every business owner likes dealing with people who are genuinely interested in the solution that they have to offer. Nobody likes time wasters, nobody likes tire kickers, people who are not interested in what you have to offer and just end up wasting your time and your resources. So in this video, I'm going to give you a formula to ensure that you are attracting highly qualified leads who are interested in doing business with you, people who will end up being advocates of your good work. So stick around. What's up, beautiful people? My name is Steph from Make Marketing Success, where we position business leaders as authorities in their industry through effective digital marketing. So if you want to attract high quality leads and customers to your business, you need a strategy. And this strategy is called the ARC strategy. A stands for attraction, R stands for retention, and C for conversion. So essentially, you need a way to attract people or leads to your business, collect their details, continue to nurture that relationship through email marketing, and finally ask for the commitment, ask for the sale, ask for them to be customers and do business with you. It's kind of like when you meet someone for the first time, you exchange messages back and forth, you get to know each other, and then finally maybe you say, okay, let's catch up for coffee, or your relationship goes on to be something else. It's pretty much the same thing. So you treat customers like you would a friend, treat customers like you would, some even say a family member, like your mother. So attract them, build that relationship, and eventually ask for the sale. So stick around, don't worry about taking notes. I'm going to give you, at the end of this video, a template that's going to help you implement this in your business quickly and without mistakes. So stay till the end. I'll tell you where to get this little gift I have for you. All right, so let's look at it in detail. So the first part of the strategy arc is attraction. How are you going to get people into your business? How are you going to start or open that relationship, open that channel for people to know more about what it's like to work with you before eventually deciding to commit to doing business with you? So you start this process by knowing who your customers are and the dilemma they are facing. If you want to know more about how to execute this process, watch the video that I made before called How to Create Great Offers That Sell Like Crazy. You can watch it. It's going to pop up somewhere on the screen. And so you can know how to implement this in your business. So once you know the dilemma and the problem they have, then you can create a compelling offer, something that would allow the customer or encourage the customer to exchange their contact details with you so that they can do business with you, so that you can continue to build that relationship. Example of offers that you can use, you could use a webinar offer where people opt in to join a webinar that helps them solve a specific problem. You could do challenges, which is where your customer signs up to engage or join in a challenge that is linked to the service that you provide. I'll give you a quick example. So say you are a coach and you're a lifestyle coach and you help specifically women who want to improve their lifestyle. So an offer that you could provide could be a webinar where women or your intended customers could sign up to join into that webinar, and then you deliver the transformational information. I call it transformational information because it's something that solves a specific problem. It could be it could be even a part of your service, a part of your coaching program that you condense into this 10-minute or 30-minute webinar, and it provides so much value that it solves a specific problem for your customers. And then they go, wow, if you can provide this much value for free, then what is it going to be like working with you? How much more can you impact my life if I work with you? So you collect their details through a landing page. So this could be where they've seen your ads and then they come to your landing page for the webinar, and then they enter their contact details, so the email, name, phone number, whatever it is you need from them, and then they are automatically entered into this webinar series or webinar funnel or whatever you want to call it. So that's the attraction part. You can promote your offers through ads. You can promote your offers through social media marketing. That is where you are marketing the offer on your social media with your current followers. You can also do partnership marketing. So if there is someone in your in the shoulder industry, an influencer that has the audience that you want, and you feel that this offer could be of benefit to their audience as well, why not partner with them so that you can get more eyeballs on your offer and get more traffic to your landing page? So the next stage is the retention part of the strategy, which is how you nurture your relationship with your leads. You do this through email marketing. There is no better way than for email marketing. Social media marketing, if you rely solely on that, it's kind of like building your house on another man's land. These platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, they change algorithms all the time. So the visibility that you had to your audience yesterday could change in 2 days' time or a month's time. Check the news. It's so rampant these days. They're notorious for affecting small businesses with the ways the algorithms change. So the best way, the only real asset that you really have is your email list. So building that relationship with your email list would go a long way. And there are several ways to do this. So you can send weekly updates. So again, going back to the example of a coach. So it could be something, part of your even coaching program, just diluted short, maybe 5-minute reads. It could be an educational series. It could be another challenge. It could just be anything. And when you are nurturing this relationship, think of how you would share valuable tips with a friend. You wouldn't go sending them 10% discounts every day. You wouldn't be spamming them with buy from me now. Nobody likes that. But you would just be sharing helpful tips that help improve their lives. So finally, now that we've talked about the attraction, retention, now let's look at the conversion stage, which is where you actually ask for the commitments. If you have done all the prior stages, meaning the attraction and retention stage properly, then this part is going to be a lot easier. You would be, by the time when you're making the call, it is really just to close the deal. So you've built that relationship with them, and it's just like, hey guys, if you want to take this even further, if I've been able to help you achieve XYZ goal, and you want to take it even further and want to invest more time into this, then schedule a call with me, or buy this course, money back guarantee, whatever have you. This is where you actually ask for the sale. So I hope so far that this has been able to paint a picture as to how that you can attract high quality leads and customers and eventually grow sales in your business. So try this out and let me know how you go in the comments below. At the start of this video, I promised a gift to help you implement this strategy, and that gift is a sales funnel checklist. A sales funnel, quite simply, is a marketing plan to attract, retain, and finally convert clients or potential customers. So this checklist is going to help you execute the strategy that we talked about in this video flawlessly. And if you have any issues, my contact details are in the checklist, so you can get back to me. We can brainstorm, bounce off ideas, and see what works for your business. Remember, nothing actually changes in your business until you take action. So I strongly encourage you to download the checklist, link in the description below, and get started today. If you found value in this video, please leave a thumbs up, share with your friends who you know might also find value with this as well, and subscribe to the channel. It goes a long, long way. So till next time, friends, see you. My name's Steph.